Welcome to the Deep Dive, where we take your sources and really pull out the key nuggets of knowledge and insight. Today, we're diving headfirst into a tool that's, well, it's not just making waves, it's genuinely reshaping how we work and create, ChatGPT. We're digging into your supplied guide, the ChatGPT Millionaire, to unpack how this tech can actually boost your productivity and potentially your profit.
It really is incredible, isn't it? The trajectory. I mean, hitting 1 million users in just 5 days, that's faster than Netflix, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. Much faster.
Wow, 5 days.
Yeah. So it's clear this isn't just some fleeting trend. It's a pretty profound shift in how we approach tasks.
Yeah.
It offers a real chance to transform our professional lives, maybe even our income streams.
Exactly. And that's our mission in this deep dive, right? To show you how to tap into its advanced capabilities. Think of ChatGPT not just as software, but maybe more like a strategic partner for, well, financial success. We'll explore everything, automating those tedious daily tasks, uncovering entirely new ways to make money, all without feeling, buried by all the info out there. So let's start with the big picture. Our sources are calling ChatGPT revolutionary, capable of automating tedious stuff, streamlining whole workflows. For you, listening, that means saving time, and that directly impacts the bottom line.
Right. And what's really insightful, I think, is how it acts as this sort of universal accelerator.
Yeah.
It takes tasks that used to be pretty distinct, like crafting engaging content, writing complex code, managing customer service, doing deep
Also
research.
different skill sets, usually.
Exactly. And it makes them accessible through this single interface. It's effectively merging roles that, once required whole teams, putting that power right into your hands.
Okay, so versatility is huge, but how does that actually translate into, concrete advantages day to day? Our sources point to some immediate powerful uses: lead generation, boosting online visibility, things like that.
Absolutely. And what stands out is how elegantly it tackles so many common pain points. For businesses, for individuals, take personalization, for example. It can help personalize communication, draft email templates, which can seriously boost your conversion chances.
Yeah.
Or formatting content instantly for SEO, cracking marketing strategies, helping you reach more customers with, honestly, minimal effort.
Minimal effort, maximum reach.
Pretty much. It really makes you wonder, doesn't it? How much time could you save just by repurposing content across different social media platforms, keeping that consistent brand voice without all the extra work?
And it goes way beyond just marketing, too. The sources talk about building, lasting client relationships, because you can generate tailored content super fast. 10x the speed, I think they said. Plus, finding new revenue streams by getting past those old time or skill barriers for creating products. It can even help figure out pricing structures based on data. It's really about working smarter.
Smarter. Definitely not just harder.
Okay, this all sounds incredibly powerful. So for someone listening who's just starting out, what's the first step? How do you harness this effectively?
Well, first things first, you need an OpenAI account. Sign up. That's easy. But the real magic, it begins with how you prompt it, how you ask the questions. The key, like our sources emphasize, isn't just asking basic questions. It's experimenting. Try different lengths, different tones, different levels of specificity.
Yeah, specificity, that seems important.
Crucial. You can start simple. Ask it to code something small, translate a phrase, analyze text, summarize an article. You can even ask it to suggest what else you should ask it. It's all about pushing the boundaries and seeing what happens.
And the sources have some really interesting tips for getting the most out of it. Number 1, set a clear, specific goal. So instead of just asking, how do I build a website, which is super vague.
Right. You'll get a generic answer.
Yeah. Ask for the guide for an index.html page that has a compound interest calculator. Much more specific. You get a much better result. Specificity is definitely the secret weapon here.
Totally agree. And that specificity, combined with playing around, experimenting, that's how you refine the output. You can ask it to, say, write this in a witty, funny, engaging tone. Or even something like, write this introduction in the style of Joe Rogan.
Really? That's specific?
Oh, yeah. Which raises a key question, doesn't it? How can you leverage these kinds of stylistic controls so the output really sounds like you or fits your brand perfectly?
Right.
It opens up a huge creative space.
Then there's this thing called the act as hack. Our sources highlight this as a master technique. Basically, you get ChatGPT to adopt a specific persona that gives you really unique, personalized content.
Exactly. So you could prompt it, act as a novelist, and then ask for story ideas. Or act as an angel investor and get feedback on your pitch deck. It completely shifts its perspective. It's powerful.
That sounds incredibly useful.
And this approach leads to some great workflow tips, too. Like, if you're not happy with the response, Just click Regenerate Response. Easy. Or you can ask for multiple options, things like email subject lines, blog titles. You could say, generate 10 engaging blog post titles.
Get some variety.
Exactly. But, and this is crucial, you still need that human oversight. You got to refine it, edit it, check for clarity, readability, tone, make sure it actually sounds right. Or you can even ask ChatGPT itself for suggestions, like paste in your text and ask, how can I improve this?
Okay, so it's a tool, not a replacement for thinking.
Precisely. It augments you. For entrepreneurs, freelancers, small businesses, ChatGPT can seriously feel like having a whole team. Copywriting, coding, ads, blog content, even writing books, SEO. All possible with the right prompt. It frees you up for the big picture stuff.
Let's talk about cold outreach emails. That can take ages, right? Getting it just right.
Oh, hours. Making sure it's clear, concise, scannable, credible, has a good call to action, perfect proofreading. But now, minutes. We saw examples in the source material for, like, an estate agency or a foreign exchange advisory firm. A prompt could start basic, then evolve to be engaging and personal, or even, get this, in the style of Elon Musk.
Wow, that shows the flexibility.
It really highlights the huge efficiency gains and how tailored the output can get.
And it's not just for reaching out, internal stuff too, right? Like customer service templates?
Yeah, definitely. Generating, say, a polite but firm response to a refund request that goes against your policy. Keeps things professional, saves you time, ensures consistency.
Okay, let's talk content creation. Blog posts seem like a big one.
Huge. And what's cool is how it handles the whole process. You can ask for ideas first, like, give me 5 ideas for high search volume, low competition keywords, maybe around, say, drones. Then, ask for a detailed outline based on one of those ideas, maybe 7 paragraphs. And then, use that outline to create a detailed blog post with SEO already applied.
Meaning the keywords are baked in, structure is optimized.
Exactly. And then you iterate. The source showed asking it to make it funnier and make the tone informal. You keep refining.
And here's where it gets really exciting for creators, that blog post. You can then repurpose it, turn it into a YouTube script, a podcast script. Imagine taking that drone blog outline and getting an engaging video script on the legalities of drone flying.
In minutes. That's how you'd achieve that multi-channel scale and consistency without burning out.
Social media marketing. That's a beast. Algorithms change, trends pop up, gotta keep content engaging, measure ROI.
It's tough. But ChatGPT can definitely help. You can use that act as hack again. Act as an advertising agency. Then ask it to create a full marketing campaign for a new product. Target audience, messages, slogans, channels, even cost estimates for ads.
Like having an agency brainstorming session on demand.
Pretty much. And very specific too, like it might suggest Instagram ads costing between 0.50 cents and $2 per click.
You could even get it to write, say, an Instagram post for an eco-friendly subscription box.
Yep, and then instantly ask it to repurpose that into a short, snappy tweet. Consistent branding, minimal fuss. Same goes for Etsy product descriptions. Or compelling LinkedIn posts to build your personal brand.
Think about specific professions. Personal trainers, nutritionists, teachers. The potential time savings must be huge.
Oh, absolutely. And the level of personalization. The source showed creating tailored 2-week vegetarian diet plans, complete with calorie counts, macro breakdowns like 50% carbs, 15% fats, 35% protein, and then using that same context, generating a complementary workout plan for that same person.
Wow, that's incredibly specific.
Right. And for teachers. Creating 50 multiple-choice questions for a 5th grade science class. Imagine how long that would take manually. ChatGPT does it in moments.
Okay, let's touch on coding again, because for many people, that's a real barrier, right?
It absolutely is. But our sources suggest ChatGPT offers a really exciting way in. You can ask for simple code snippets, like that classic FizzBuzz test in C++Do. It's a common programming exercise. Or go bigger. Ask for a full index.html page that has a VAT calculator with nice UI elements and CSS.
So not just the logic, but the presentation too.
Yeah. And even real-world applications. The source provided the full code for a Chrome extension that blocks distracting websites. Plus, step-by-step instructions on how to actually make it work, installed in your browser. This really, truly democratizes creating simple software products.
Okay, shifting gears slightly, let's talk passive income.
Right. Now, for passive income, the sources stress something important. While ChatGPT makes a lot of things easier, the real focus needs to be on quality content, stuff that isn't just instantly replicable by anyone else. We're talking more substantial things here. Ebooks, valuable blog posts, YouTube videos people want to watch, online courses, maybe even simple software applications, things with lasting value.
Okay, let's break that down. Ebooks, how can it help there?
It can guide you through the whole process, from finding a unique niche like the example was digital detox within the broader travel and adventure category, to creating full book outlines, chapter outlines, generating the actual content for each chapter.
Wow, generating the content too.
Yep, brainstorming titles and subtitles like Unplugged, the ultimate guide to digital detoxing, crafting descriptive sales pages for Amazon, writing marketing emails, even drafting Twitter announcements. It even suggested competitive pricing for Amazon, like $2.99 to $4.99 for nonfiction ebooks in that range.
That's pretty comprehensive. What about YouTube?
Similar process. Generate ideas first. Look for that high search, low competition sweet spot. The example was a beginner's guide to planting an herb garden. Then, create engaging, maybe even humorous scripts. Now, purely AI-generated videos often have monetization issues on YouTube, but using AI to write the script, then you record the voiceover yourself. That's a powerful, efficient workflow that's usually fine.
Makes sense. You're still adding the human element. What about affiliate marketing blogs, those product reviews?
Perfect use case. It can generate ideas for comparison reviews, like top 5 drones on the market. Then it can write detailed posts comparing all the key features, camera quality, battery life, flight experience, price, all optimized for SEO, of course.
Online courses seems like a lot of work to structure.
Traditionally, yes, but ChatGPT streamlines it significantly. You can brainstorm course ideas, say retirement planning, woof, then get it to generate a logical course structure, sections, lectures, quizzes, then write the actual lecture content. And finally, create the marketing materials you need for platforms like Skillshare or Udemy.
So it handles the content and the structure and the marketing copy.
It can draft all of it, yeah. Streamlining the whole development process.
And software, again, even for passive income.
Yeah, if you have an idea but zero coding skills, ChatGPT can help you build simple solutions, like that VAT calculator we mentioned, or a browser extension. It walks you through the steps. You could potentially turn that simple idea into a product you can actually sell.
Okay, this brings us to the idea of becoming like a superhuman freelancer. What does that mean exactly?
It's not about replacing freelancers. It's about augmenting your existing skills, amplifying them, allowing you to create more quality content in less time, making you far more productive and potentially earn more.
Okay. How does that play out in practice, like on freelance marketplaces?
Think about platforms like Fiverr or Upwork. Our sources gave some typical figures, like maybe 160 pounds, it's around 200 US for 1,000-word blog post delivered in 4 days, or 60 pounds, about $75 for a 12-chapter book outline delivered in 3 days.
Okay, standard rates.
Right. But with ChatGPT, those tasks might take minutes or maybe a few hours, not days or weeks. So you can see how that massively increases your potential output, your potential income.
Ghostwriting sounds like another huge area for this.
Absolutely massive. Producing, say, a 40,000-word nonfiction ebook, that might typically fetch around 1,700 pounds, maybe $2,100. Used to take weeks, right? Solid weeks of work. But with ChatGPT helping generate outlines, drafting chapters, that iterative process turns weeks into potentially just hours of focused work. It completely revolutionizes a really demanding field.
What about translation? Speed and accuracy are key there.
Exactly. And the source showed translating text into German instantly. Now, obviously, you still need human fluency. You absolutely need to proofread, edit, make sure the nuance is right. That's critical. But imagine translating, say, 3,000 words. That might cost around 130 pounds, maybe $160. ChatGPT can do the initial heavy lifting in minutes. It massively boosts your output, makes you way more competitive.
And finally, ad copy. Getting that persuasive language right.
Yep. Using established frameworks like ADA, attention, interest, desire, action, ChatGPT can create really persuasive ad copy. The examples for a new drone. Generating that kind of copy might typically cost, say, $26, around $40. A freelancer using ChatGPT can deliver high-quality ad campaigns much, much faster and more profitably.
Let's just quickly circle back to those act as prompts because they seem really fundamental to unlocking its power.
They really are. They unlock the sheer versatility. It lets you tap into its vast knowledge base in really specific, targeted ways. Our sources listed this incredible range of examples. You can tell it. Act as a productivity coach, act as a startup founder, act as an angel investor,
Wow.
language tutor, personal finance advisor, career advisor, digital privacy expert, astrophysicist, nutritionist, travel agent, movie critic, synesthesia.
What would that do?
Maybe help you create playlists or suggest song transitions. The point is, each persona comes with specific criteria it uses for its responses.
And the formula is simple, right?
It's super simple. It's basically act as a profession. You will list the relevant criteria into account and generate customized output based on my request. My first request is then you state your request.
Hmm.
Using that template, you can basically create a persona for almost any topic or scenario you can think of. Get highly specialized content on demand. It's brilliant.
Okay. Now, it's incredibly powerful. We've established that, but it's not magic. It has
Yeah,
limitations, right? We need to be aware of those.
absolutely essential. And our sources clarify a few key points here, worth keeping in mind. The biggest one probably is the training data cutoff. It was trained on data up to sometime in 2021, which means it doesn't know about current events. No real-time information.
That's a big one to remember.
Yeah. Also, there's an output limit for each response. Sometimes it just stops mid-sentence. If that happens, no panic, you just type continue, and it'll usually pick up right where it left off. Generally, it performs better if you break down really complex questions into smaller chunks anyway.
What about understanding nuance? Things like sarcasm or irony.
Yeah, it struggles with that. Figurative language can be tricky for it. That can lead to misunderstandings or maybe just less nuanced kind of literal responses. So best to be clear and direct in your requests.
Avoid being overly clever, maybe.
Probably wise, yeah. And like any machine learning model, it can sometimes reflect biases that were present in its training data. Just something to be aware of.
And privacy, that's always a concern with these tools.
It is a critical point. ChatGPT doesn't keep personal information tied directly to your identity and its main model after the chat, but it can potentially use your input, the questions you ask, the text you provide, to generate text for other users later if that data becomes part of its future training cycles. So always check the latest privacy policies before you feed it any sensitive data. Be cautious.
Good advice.
And ultimately, for any really significant decision or anything you're going to public or rely on heavily, you must do your own due diligence, your own fact-checking. ChatGPT is an amazing tool to accelerate your work, speed things up, generate ideas.
Yeah.
But that final human verification, it's absolutely indispensable.
What a deep dive this has been. Seriously. We've seen how ChatGPT can be this, well, transformative force, helping you launch new ventures, grow the ones you have, or just significantly boost your income as a freelancer or entrepreneur. From generating complex code, crafting blog posts people actually want to read, creating passive income streams through ebooks and online courses, it really empowers you to focus on the bigger picture, the strategy, not get bogged down in the weeds.
Absolutely. And by following the tips we've talked about, especially using that act as hack effectively, it really does live up to that potential. It becomes that sort of companion, like the source said, that can help you achieve financial success. It's all about leveraging this tool to augment your skills and explore new possibilities, things that maybe seemed out of reach before.
So as we wrap up, what really stands out to you from all this? For you listening right now, what's that single task or maybe that challenge you've been putting off? Maybe it just seemed too complex or too time-consuming. How might a tool like ChatGPT let you tackle that starting today? How could it transform your approach to work or maybe even help you launch that new venture you've been dreaming about? Definitely something to think about. Start experimenting and let us know what you discover.